Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung S7. This is the new method. So to do this operation, you have to press and hold volume down, home button and power to turn in off your phone. After that, when turn is off, volume up, home button and power button one more time. After you see the logo, release power button, still holding volume up and home. Okay, let's get started. So volume down, home and power. Keep holding the 3 key. After the phone will turn off. Yep, volume up, home, power, release power, still holding volume up and home. Release all the key. And now wait until you see the recovery menu. Okay, now we have to try a few different combinations of the key to enter the recovery. Let's try the volume up and power, volume down, home and power. Let's volume up and power. No. Okay. After that, now go volume down and go to the Wipe Data Factory Reset. Click on it, volume down, yes. And now the phone is now resetting and removing all the passwords and password from the phone. Of course, every single files on your phone will be deleted, so be sure to do this operation. After that, reboot system now, and now phone we're gonna be have new brand system, and of course you don't have any password on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.